Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make comments on a Google Doc or make suggestions. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you would want to do if you want to make a suggestion would be to go up to the top right in the toolbar versus mode, so editing mode we're currently in. If you click the drop down, you can select suggesting mode, in which case then you can go ahead and make suggestions. They won't actually modify the document, but you can see them over here on the margin, and you will see different suggestions listed in here, and you can either accept or reject them, or whoever might be the owner of the document can do that as well. So that's something else you can take a look at. Also, if you want to just make comments, you could just highlight over text you want to make a comment for, and then select the little chat icon that says add comment, and it would accomplish a very similar result there. And then select comment. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.